Okay, the spelling and grammar check. There are two ways we can check for spelling and grammar. One way is to go to the Review tab and go over to the Spelling and Grammar. Click that. It opens up the Spelling and Grammar navigation pane. The first one, it tells us that the word to is probably the wrong usage of to. It says word choice error. We're going to go ahead and change that to the TO, which is what it should be. The next one tells us that grouped is probably misspelled. So we go over here and look at whatever suggestions it has. It gives us the suggestions and then also tells us the definitions. So we make sure we get the right one. So we're going to select GROUPED. And finally, it's telling us that we've got a repeated word. So we're going over to our repeated word, which is the. I double click the, and I can delete it. And now our document is correct. The second way to check spelling and grammar is to look at the underlined words on your document. The word to is underlined, so if I right click on that, it tells me that it's a possible word choice error, and I can go ahead and select it. Gives me the definition. Same thing for grouped is a spelling error, and it gives me the correct spelling with the definitions. And finally, the, which tells me it's a delete repeated word because I've got the in there twice, and it goes ahead and delete it for me.